In today's video, I've got a method to share with you which you can get started with today to start earning money online. Now, this is very unique. I can guarantee 99% of you watching this will have never have seen a method like this. It's not only is it unique, it's groundbreaking, and it's also patent pending. So we'll go through all of that in a second, but please make sure you watch this video till the end because I really don't want you to miss any of this, because this is available worldwide. You don't need any skills for this. You don't need a website, a blog, an email list. You don't need any of the traditional things that you need to make money online. And with this, not only can you start earning money today for some one-time actions that you do today, you can earn money for months, years down the line, and you can also pass this on to future generations if you really want to. And the way you earn, again, it's awesome. I promise you it's worth watching this video till the end. So before I share with you this method to make money online, let's go and share the winner of yesterday's competition. So every day we're giving away one of my courses. So in yesterday's video, we was giving away my Affiliate Academy course. So let's go ahead and get a winner for this now, and then I'll share with you today's method. So let me do this very quickly. So we'll go down here, copy. We'll go over to the random YouTube comment picker. Let's put this in here. Click on get YouTube comments. So we had 48 unique commenters. Let's go down here and click on start. So good luck to everyone. Who is our winner? Our winner is Affiliate Marketing MT. So congratulations to you. You will go ahead and get a copy of my Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. Go over to Facebook, send me a message, and I'll send you a link to that course. So yesterday we give away what did we give away? We give away the Affiliate Academy. Lots of you have messaged me asking if we can do another giveaway for iPassive. So this is the iPassive course over here. This shows you how I earned, well, this amount of money in May, and I go back into March, April, and many more months. So if you want to get this course here for free, really simple, like or dislike the video, drop a comment down below saying whether you like this method, whether you're using this method, or just simply type in iPassive, and then you'll be in tomorrow's competition to win this course. But look, let's forget about the courses. Let's jump into today's method and this really unique way that you can start making money online for forever, basically. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So this method I've got to share with you today, I absolutely love this. I found out about this probably about 4 weeks ago now, and I did a video at the time of that. And what I'm going to share with you in this video is I'll show you how this works. I'll show you how to get this set up. I'll show you how you earn money with this, because it really is awesome. So let me go and show you this method and how this works. So this here, let me go over here. This over here is a website, and it's called Kickstarter.com, and there's many more of these crowd raising platforms. There's Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and a few others. So how this traditionally works is companies, investors, entrepreneurs come over to here when they have a project. Now they have a project, so like down here we've got, what's this, a skillet pan, we've got something up here, and we've got other things. Now you can come up here and look at all of these projects via these different categories up on here. So this is normally quite a popular one, this design and tech category on here. So let's go ahead and have a look at them. What the hell's that? Red bin. So come down here and you can have a look at all of these projects that are going on right now. So let me just go, we'll just go into a random one. What the heck's this? Poke Pro. Let's go into this one and I'll show you this one. So normally what happens is someone has an idea or a project and they want to either get awareness for that, they want to expand, or they want to get more exposure for that. The way they do that is via funding. So they come over to these platforms here, and as you can see here, currently over £154,000 has been pledged for this product here. If you scroll down here, you normally get information about the project here and what it is. Then on the right hand side over here, this is where you support or pledge the campaign. So you can see on here, you could make a pledge without a reward, so you can just donate money to this if you wanted. But then scroll down here, you've got other ones. So you've got on here, look, this one here, pledge $1 or more, and what will you get? You'll get credit on our website backer list. That's it. So you donate $1 and they'll give, they'll put your name on a list saying you give them some money basically. You've got other things on here, so $129, and then you'll get everything listed on here. So what they're trying to do here is they're trying to entice people to donate money to them by basically getting a discount on a product before it launches. So you can see every time I've gone here, it goes a different color. So this one here, they're giving a 27% discount. If I scroll down, you've got one here at 34% discount, etc, etc. So this is how this method this is how crowdfunding traditionally works. People will come over here with a product where they're trying to raise awareness so they can expand it and, you know, make more money from this, or sometimes just create the product. Now, there's a few flaws with this route, because what happens is you could go onto Kickstarter and you could launch your project or your campaign on here and it might not do anything. You may be really lucky and get some backers, but a lot of companies who actually launch these campaigns to make money, they don't actually get any money, or they don't hit their target. So there's a new company, and this company, they work with inventors, they work with investors, entrepreneurs, business owners, and basically people who have an idea for a project that they want to get awareness for. They want to get backing, they want to get social media awareness for this and more exposure to the brand. So the company is this one over here, and it's called Kulabrands. So say someone's got an idea for a project, they come over to Kulabrands and they say, we will partner with you, and in return for helping us, you know, get more exposure, raise our crowdfunding, get the funds in that we need, we will pay you a lifetime royalty. And what that means is, if a project comes over here and is successful, and that, believe you me, that at this moment in time there's 50 of these projects which they've worked with and launched, when that project has launched and they start selling their product online, offline, it doesn't matter, wherever, this Kulabrands earns a royalty, and then that royalty is paid back to the members of the community. Now, if I scroll down here, let me just share this with you. So these are some of the projects who they've worked with in the past. They've worked with Cords of Steel, Drop It Baby, King of Hearts, and as I've mentioned, there's over 50 companies who have successfully partnered with Kulabrands and launched. So how does it work? So basically, this is done via three methods. We've got social sourcing, promotion, and selling. But let me share with you some of these brands, because basically, if you partner up with Kulabrands, you can earn money from any company that you invest in. But you don't only have to invest in those. If you can go and watch a YouTube video, like a Facebook page, you know, share pins on Pinterest, follow someone on Instagram, you can also start earning a lifetime royalty from this. It's honestly, the potential with this is just awesome. But let me share this with you. These here are some of the brands which have partnered with Kulabrands lately and have now launched in the marketplace, and anybody in Kulabrands is earning a lifetime royalty commission from these brands here. So this is the first one. It's called Ease on Babies. Now you can see here they've recently launched into Bye Bye Baby in America, and this is the range of the products here. If I go to the next page here, you can see Ease Babies is currently available in all of these Bye Bye Baby stores, and very soon it's set to go into all of these stores nationwide. That's just one example. This is another one here. It's called Tuck Visor. You can see it's over here. It's over in another shop down here in, I think that's LA behind there. This company here, it's available in 200 truck stops. It's in Ace Hardware, many RV stores, and it's even listed on Amazon. And again, anyone who's a member of Kulabrands earns a lifetime royalty every single time one of these products is sold, whether it's whether it is online, or whether it is in a local, like a retail shop. Another company here, we've got this one. This is called Cords of Steel. This one here is one that I recently discovered, and I was so lucky to get into this. This is a company called Swabbies, and again, they partnered up with Kulabrands, and the community in Kulabrands shared content on Facebook. Some people pre-pledged and donated some money to this project, and this company is just going from strength to strength. You can see here, this was on season 5 of the Entrepreneur Elevator Pitch. We've also got them over here on KTLA in Los Angeles. It's a great company, a great project. I'm incredibly proud and happy to be involved with this. And even more so, I'm happy to be earning money from this in the future every time they sell one of their products. And look, that is just a few of the different companies. As I've mentioned, they've worked with currently over 50 different brands. So we've got one over here called Drop It Baby. This company here is in Walmart. So anybody who got involved with this company here, every time one of these Drop It Baby products sells in Walmart, you earn royalty commissions. It's also, you've got other things, it's not just products, you've also got musicians. So this is a band up here, we've got King of Hearts, we've got Donovan Lee down here, and all of these here, there's over 50 different companies that they've worked with and partnered with. So I think you can see this is it's interesting, but the potential with this is just incredible. So let me go back over here. So this is Kulabrands. So how it works is you sign up and you join, and you can go, look, I'll drop a link to this below. The link below will take you over to this page here. This is my page that I've created for you to give you more information about Kulabrands. So if you go over to this page here, there's a short video on here walking you through, how this works. But then scroll down the page, we've got some information about Kulabrands and how we do this. We've also got a video on here from the CEO. We've got testimonials. These are real testimonials from people who are working with Kulabrands. You can see people sharing screenshots of earnings, people who have been here since day one. I wish I'd been here since day one, I really do. And then you can see we've got, this was Swabbies, we've got Donovan Lee music over here. If I scroll down here, someone earning royalties. And look, there's lots more stuff on here. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. You'll also, if you decide to join with me, because I want you to be successful with this, then I've put together some of these bonuses. So you'll get a private Facebook group, you'll get a complete training platform which has lots of my online courses on, so you'll get access to all of those, and I've put together a fast start guide for you. So you'll get all of those included with this, okay? But basically all you do is you click on Get Started Now, and you'll go through to this page here, and you'll see my ugly mug down here, and I'm just walking you through how this works. And you click on Get Started Now, and then you sign up. How much will this cost you? It will cost you $20 a month for 24 months, or you can pay a one-time fee and get access to this. So the $20 a month, what is it? What do you get access to? So this here is the back end, and this is how it looks on the back end with inside of here. So you can see this is inside of here. So on the left hand side we have got lots of information on here, and don't worry, all of this is included in the training. So we've got Kula funded, and it shows you how to get started with this. So you can see an overview of this, going over to Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and a couple of others. So let me show you very quickly a snapshot how this works. So once you've signed up, you get this here. So you've got pre-pledge, you've got crowdfunding, and pre-purchase. So you've got three options here. Now here you can see this one here. This is Jacqueline here. She's launching her new music. So you can see on here, this is an album concept, The Holidays. And so far, this album here has raised $7,000. And if you click on Read the Story, this is where you can go ahead and pledge money for this project here. And these projects are updated all the time. Every time somebody new comes on board or something's happening, it will go in here. So if I scroll down here, it shows you what you get. So you can see on here for $75 plus shipping, this is what you'll get. You'll get a signed CD. You'll also get a sales point. And then you've got more options down here. Now these sales points here, basically how you earn royalties with this company is you have three different pools, 3 different points pools. You have a sales funnel, a sales pool, a crowdfunding pool, and a branding pool. So the sales pools is where you would go ahead and purchase something like this. You have got the crowdfunding pool, which is where a new project is coming on board and you're committing to that project before it launches. And then you've also got a branding pool, which is basically where you can earn points for going and sharing content on Fit. And I'll show you that in a second. But let me show you another one over here. So we've got the pre-purchase tab. So on here, this pre-purchase tab, you can go ahead and pre-purchase any of these products here and start earning royalties and commissions from these once these are up and running. So at this moment in time, you can see we've got 3, 6, currently there's 6. There was one called Gunbale and a couple of others, but you can see these all go off. So like this one here, it's only got 1 day. This one's got 24 days. This has got 15 days to go. So you can go ahead and invest this way and start earning money from these projects here. The other way that you can earn from this is via social media, basically. Now if I scroll down here, I'll show you this. So if I go to it's called the branding app, come down here and click on branding offers. This is where you can earn a branding point in one of the pools. And it genuinely is really simple stuff. So this here, this took via a Facebook video. You can earn a branding point, and what do you need to do for this? This is so simple. Look, go like and comment on the video post and share it on your own Facebook profile. And honestly, from that, you will get 0.10 points
per person for doing so. This is a free way that you can build up these branding points which give you lifetime royalties from this. And you can see anything in green is available, anything in red is not done. So you can go through, look at all of these greens here. You can go through all of these and start earning branding points from all of these pools. And it's not just limited to Facebook. Look, you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, there's YouTube on here, there's Pinterest, LinkedIn, and many more different ways that you can earn these branding points. And these branding points, they add up over time, and you can start to earn, again, it's a lifetime royalty that you can earn from these companies. The last thing I'm going to share with you in this is this over here. When you sign up to this, if like me, you've come in a bit too late and you've missed some of these projects that have launched on these crowdfunding pools, and whether you missed it on Kickstarter or Indiegogo, see this here where it says royalty pool packs. If I click on here, you can actually invest in a royalty pool pack, which means you can go ahead and get sales points in companies who are already paying lifetime royalties, and you get the products. So let me just show you this really quickly. So there's three options. You've got this one, and this one. Let me show you this. So if you was to go ahead and join and purchase one of these, you will set yourself up to start earning lifelong royalty income from all of these brands here. So these over here, so we've got Visor, the one that I shared with you earlier, that's in 200 stores across America. We've got Cords of Steel, we've got Buddy Gear, we've got the Entrepreneur board game, we've got Scarfy, and we've got the Vibe bottle. So for $200, you would get all of them, you'd get all of those products basically, but then you'd get a sales point in all of these companies here who are already paying a royalty, and you get additional, you can see on here, you get 25% more royalties. But this here, this company and brand, there's so many different ways that you can make money with this. They've also got a shop. You can send people over to their shop and you can earn sales points and commissions from sending people over to the shop. And over in the shop, it's basically all of the companies and projects that have partnered with this shop, that have partnered with Kulabrands. So at this moment in time, there's 50 companies. There's going to be more coming on over time, but this company here, I highly recommend it. I really like it, and the fact that they're already working with and have launched successful business campaigns with, all of these companies on here. We've got Swabbies on here, we've got Cords of Steel, we've got Visor, we've got this Ease on Babies, and there's just new campaigns coming onto this all of the time. It's a fantastic way to start earning yourself a lifetime royalty income. Now, there are other methods that you can make money with this. You can invite people to the platform, but this is not multi-level marketing. This is not where, if I recommend you and you recommend a friend, etc., etc. It's basically, if I recommend you, I'll earn an affiliate commission for recommending you over to the platform. So I go over that in my training, which is provided over here. So you remember this one over here, getting started. If we go back to the previous page, I share with you really simple methods how, if you really want to scale this up and start making money with this, this is all included with these bonuses down here. So all these bonuses that you'll get, they're all included in here. But I mean, look at this. See this here, this Holy Branding Batman. Seriously, if you are not taking advantage of the Chrome branding opportunities, you are totally missing out. So this person here, you can see, I was not in the crowdfunding pool for Vibe bottle, never even bought one, although I've been doing the branding since they offered it. But look at my payout. So this person here, here, so you can see on here, they got a payout from Vibe bottle, even though they didn't purchase it or invest any money into there. They got a payout of $14.67 from sharing content on social media. It's pretty simple, isn't it? And that $14.67 that they've earned there, that will happen every single either month or 3 months or 6 months, depending on the royalty payout from Vibe bottle. So that's today's video. I think you'll agree it's pretty awesome. The fact that you can earn a lifetime income from this, you can earn an income from investing, you can earn an income from inviting people, you can also earn an income from going on social media, watching a YouTube video, following someone on Instagram. It's really simple stuff. So if you want to check out in more detail, there is a link down below. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But look, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.